Carter Cave Campground. This is the entrance to it. You'll see dump station right when you come in, and better yet when you exit. So you come around through here, hang your left, get into the check-in station. Nice campground so far. It's our third night. But anyway, there's the check-in station. Stop here, check in, and then come on down to the sites. Right there's dumpsters for the area, conveniently located right when you're exiting every time. But right through here is the pull-through sites in the middle. Notice the slope of them. They are, I wouldn't say real severe, but people have their stuff jacked either really high or really low. Over to the right, back end sites. But then as you pull through, they have a variety of lengths of sites. They're all graveled, marked really well. Again, some of these are really short. People having to put their vehicles, right on the side. We're getting ready to go around to the bathhouse there. It's centrally located in the campground. You have some parking spots here, more dumpsters. It's been a very peaceful campground. Maybe we just hit it lucky or what, but everybody's minding their manners, keeping quiet. Speed limit 5 through here. Nobody getting rambunctious. But there's different little loops. There was one there. You come around. Actually, this part that we're in is a little bit flatter than the rest. The sites aren't sloped near as much. These are in the 50s. We're site 51 we just passed, coming up on mid 50s. Now there's a loop right there. Not too many sites that way, but coming over here to the, what are these over here? These are full hookups over here, even with the dumps, with the sewer hoses. What sites are these? Numbers are these, Sophia? These are, what's that one?
This one
66. So in the 60s, there's 67. These outer ones have the dump hookups, which is nice. You have slightly more, but still not a whole lot. Then you come on through. Yeah, you can loop back around to the bathhouse. You got the one-way streets. Just driving through, there's 79. Again, those ones in the middle are sloped. You can check out this trailer over here to the left. Even the ones to the right too are sloped pretty good. But you see, he's got his tongue pretty much right on the ground on a 6x6 block, just to keep it level. So just a heads up. Definitely check out the site description for the severity of the slopes. As you pull on out, again, we're back at the guard station, or the check-in station. Here's the way out right here. We haven't tried to get out with the camper yet. Like I said, this is our first time, but it seems to me this could be kind of tight coming up through here to get it all squared up. And they got that tree placed real nice on the corner there for trying to make the turn for the dump station. But anyway, you come back through here, and there's the dump station. We're back where we started. But anyway, we're going out the driveway here. So these sites, as a heads up, back right up to this access road to the campground, the park road. So something to keep in mind. I definitely look at the park map just to see exactly where your spot would be. If you don't like backing up to where people's going in and out of here constantly, something to keep in mind anyway. And as we get down here to the end of the road, they do have a putt-putt golf course. We played it a little bit ago. Not the best course, but it's not the worst course either. It was challenging, but something fun to do with the kids. But anyway, that's it for now. Carter Caves Campground. Like and subscribe. A Game Custom Lures. See you.